When managing and analyzing data to identify trends and make informed decisions, there might be occasions when you need to find duplication in your records. Today we are going to learn how to highlight duplicate values or records in an Excel sheet. This is a sample Excel data sheet with 1,000 records. To find out duplicate records manually from this sheet is a tedious job. We will have to check all the records one by one. Fortunately, by applying a built-in conditional formatting function, we can highlight identical records in a column within seconds. Select the desired column and go to Conditional Formatting on the Home tab. Under the Highlight Cells rules, select Duplicate Values. Make sure there is no leading or trailing blank space in the cell's value. You can customize the Highlight Cells rule to identify unique values, or to change the highlighted cell's color. Under Conditional Formatting, go to Clear Rules and select the required option. When you apply conditional formatting, either on the same or different selection, it is added to that sheet every time. To get results straight, make sure that desired formatting rules are not applied on the same selection twice.